palo.
Mamaya.
Hindi, gusto mo ng palo.
Gosh.
Nanmento tayo.
If it's still burning. So if you're gonna break my heart, just break.
Huh?
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy Tummy Day. Happy New Year ka doon sa video.
Go, Ace. What are you going to say?
It's a spoon. Baliktad.
Ha? Baliktad?
Baliktad.
Baliktad? Today is New Year. Can you sing Happy New Year?
Yeah.
Happy New Year. We wish you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Saan tayo punta, Ace?
Wish you this Christmas.
Saan tayo punta,
Happy
Ace?
New Day.
Happy New Year.
Saan tayo punta? Ace, where are we going?
We're going.
Where?
We're going.
Kaya nga, saan nga?
Going home.
Dali na.
Go home.
Dali nga.
Sino sabi? Bye-bye na. Let's go back to the...
I want to have the bakery.
Huh?
I want the presents. Bye-bye, Katay-tay.
Uwi na tayo. Ay, dadaanan lang tayo. Pero pag maulan, syempre di tayo.
Hi!
Yeah. Tulad na yun. Ayun mo, Ace. See you again.
Do you day?
Yay. Nakita mo yung fireworks kagabi?
Yeah.
Ganda ng fireworks, no?
Yeah.
Lakas nga lang, no?
I'm scared of fireworks.
Oh, you're scared of fireworks. That's okay. Ano lang yun? Once in a year.
Na fireworks napunta sa baba.
Once in a year ka lang matatakot, Ace. No? No, Ace? Once in a year. Next time ulit, Ace. No. Yay!
Ay, fireworks is ingay.
Fireworks and ingay.
Ingay.
Nasa Yuki's farm. Tayo.
I smell the farm.
Ha?
I smell it.
You smell it? You smell the farm?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Do you know what's inside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano naman dito? Lawak. Kapasok tayo dito sa Yuki's farm. Dadaanan lang namin bago tayo bumalik ng Manila. Laki to. Ano?
Anong meron dito sa ano?
Ayan o. Wala pang 3 feet si Ace. Oh, ikaw. Lagpas na ng 3 feet.
Isang, oo. Dalawang ado. Magkano lang? Yung ano lang, basic lang. 800 plus 350. Dito lang.
Let's go, hindi pa. Go, go, go.
Bye.
Si Mark James po yung ganyan.
I can go here now. You can go.
Thank you.
Hello po, good morning. Ako pala si Kuya Mark. Bala ko yung from ganyan for this entire week. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Sa aming farm na first time niyo po?
First time po.
Sa pong farm namin, may kabuuan po siyang 10 hectares land. Pero sa ngayon, pinakalalakaran po natin. 4 out of 10 hectares pa lang. Makabutin po tayo ng mga 45 minutes to 1 hour po.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love.
Wala, laki ng fish. Laki ng fish.
Ay, fish, no? Meron din po kami dyan. Stingray.
Stingray. Saan? Hindi makita eh.
Ayun, stingray.
Maliit nga lang. Ay, oo nga. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
There's a pig.
Ayan, fish. Koi.
Stingray.
Ayan o,
Grabe.
wow, it's moving o.
Wala. Ang ganda.
There's a tail.
Old na po, or 9 years old na po.
9 years old. Makitanda pa kay Clyde.
The lifespan po ng mga stingray na umabot po sila ng 30 years.
30 years.
Maliit sa capybara.
Capybara. Sige, you will see it later.
Yeah. I want
Lang nila dito.
my pet. It's capybara.
Ah,
My pet.
nangagat yan. Dito. Manila. Sige ko.
Malate.
Basta don't touch. Don't touch.
Only that. I want to touch.
Ang laki.
Ang laki.
Buti.
Nag-New Year.
Oo, dito na.
I want to
Ang
touch.
cute eh. Ang
Nakuha ko
cute.
yung langsan.
Poop niya, poop.
Nawala
Poop.
ka.
Pwede po sa shell.
Sa shell lang.
Ayun na, ma'am.
So,
It's a tay-tay.
Ay, mas malaki si Hercules.
Malaki po, pinakamatatanda na. Ano pa doon? 35 years old.
35 years old. Si Tommy. May mga names sila, oh. Hello, akala nila may food.
Ilaw.
Wala pa yung
Ilaw.
tortoise na iba po yun sa turtles, no? Tortoise, land-based reptile.
Ah,
You want to walk? Ah,
no, because he wants food.
it's a good to walk. Oh my God.
Ang hilig nilang nagkaganyan na nakahiga.
Matigas mga
Pag
pan.
matanda, yun na.
Ah, ganyan talaga sila. Ah, okay.
Pero
Yung bata
nakakagat
pa
to.
yan eh, 30 years old lang siya eh.
30 pero parang tamad na siya. No? Akala nila may pagkain.
Pagkain.
Ace, come here. Ace. Yay! Iwan sama. Oh my gosh.
And